What's up, everybody? Today we are playing a short HIO horror game called Take Care of the Cat. Or something along those lines, I don't know. Oh, this sensitivity is really high. Bark to the cat. Get sticks and make friends. It's a piece of paper. Keep it on, it's cold outside. I slow down when I bark. Or no, I think my FOV just gets lower. Run, but not too far. Oh, there's a little sheep. Can I... Oh, it ran away. I don't know, this is listed under horror, but it's not very scary. So I don't wanna lose track of the house. I feel like that's what's gonna happen. Like I'm gonna get too far away, and then I'll like lose track of the house or something. No, I'm just gonna keep walking in a straight line to make sure I don't lose track of the house. Or not. I've always liked games with this 2D type of aesthetic. It's nice. Feels very homemade, you know? Does that mean I'm getting sleepy? The little ZZZ. Bark to the sheep. I'm supposed to get tall. Go to sleep. Is something gonna happen when I go to sleep? Get sticks and make friends. What's that? Make friends. Oh, I can run. I didn't know. Oh, what? Do they not run from me anymore? What was that question mark thing all about? What was that? Did I see something? The fireplace. It's a very 2D house. Wonder if we I wonder if the roof has a texture actually. Oh, interesting. Where I can't run anymore because when I try to run, it says I'm tired. I have a feeling when I come inside, there's gonna be like a jump scare or something. I really hope not. On the game's page, it's set to play at night with headphones on, preferably when your family's asleep for the atmosphere. Man, it's literally dark outside. What do you mean go outside and collect sticks? Not really the type to... Oh, what the... No. Okay, I can't go back, okay. Aren't she? What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm not usually the type to like scream when I get scared in a game, which I do very often. Instead, I just kind of freeze and stay silent, you know? Kind of just take a moment to relax and process. The music just changed. So there's another set of footsteps. There are definitely footsteps behind me. I don't want to look back. I'm also home alone right now, which makes it a lot worse. Oh god, bro. The the surround sound is not helping. I can hear it like, oh, it's slightly to my left, it's slightly to my right, or it's what the fuck was that thing? Hold shift to run from the big one. Bro, because I'm tired, I can't run. Do I have to do all that again? Yep. Good girl. Says he's behind me. Right? Or it sounds like he's behind me. And then I'm gonna see him up here in front and then out the left. Right? Like run backwards or something. Run back to home. It would be a lot easier if I didn't have these damn trees blocking the way. It'd be a lot easier if I could see more than 2 feet in front of me as well, but unfortunately not. I really don't want to look back like I look back. Man, I just... What? Was there a jump scare there? I would never be like them. Be like who? The sheep? Who's that? What does that mean? I see fence. I think that's a good thing. Do I keep following the path? Oh well, I'm home. Oh my fucking... Dude, if that thing is in the house... Oh, it's just a cat. And those look like puppies. Wait, no, they have kitten ears. Wait, no. I'm not... What am I saying? They look like kittens. Kind of reminds me of the, you know, Doom 1, Doom 2, where the sprites would rotate around the way you look. What is behind? Oh, wait. Where am I? Take care of the cat. The end. Is that really the end? Alright, well, thanks for loving memory. It's kind of sad. Is that really the end though? Can I? Do I have to alt F4? Alright, well, see you guys in the next one. Alright, so I just went back on itch.io and I found out apparently Take Care of the Cat is a sequel to Take Care of the Dog, which we're going to be playing now. With how quick the atmosphere shifted in that first game I played, you know, or like the the sequel to this one. I don't know what to expect. I'm guessing. Get the food in the basement. Oh my. The basement's gonna be. There's gonna be something in the basement. I just know there's gonna be something in the basement later. Stop. God, why is it like a maze? I already don't like that. It's like one of those liminal spaces. It's that dog food. Dude, I also can't move the camera up and down. It's like another it's kinda like Doom 1 and Doom 2. Alright, well we got the dog food, so let's go up there and feed our good boy. Oh yeah, who's a good boy? Yes. Can I throw it anywhere? Does it go get the ball? It does get the ball, okay. Can I... Where else can I throw it? Down there. Go fetch. That was fast. Good boy. Okay, let's throw it back there. Yeah, it'd be a shame if something happened to you. Surely in a game categorized by the word horror, right? Surely in a horror game such as this one, nothing bad happens to the dog. Get water in the basement. I wonder if the dog is like a... I wonder if the creator had a dog in real life. Oh my God. Why does this always happen? The dog's still outside, but it's dark in here. I don't like how the clock is ticking. That's very eerie. Why is all my shit in the basement anyway? Because, like, what sane person keeps water and food in the basement? Like, genuinely, these... And who has a basement like this? I feel like... Well, you know, it's supposed to be a game, I get it, but... What kind of idiot keeps nothing but, like... a bag of dog food and... whatever container used for water, like a bottle of water in his basement. There we go, okay. I also heard something. Let's go towards that something. I don't know if it was a good something. Well, not lost. It was like a key or bones. Whatever it was, I don't like it. Oh. Oh, it literally was a key. What the hell? Why did a key spawn? I'll prepare for a jump scare because that's what was in the last game. So it'll probably be in this one too. Do I have to go back out and get the dog? Oh no, that is a brick. And I think the dog ran this way. So we're just gonna go follow the dog or something.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
Oh,
He is not hungry anymore.
Who are you?
He is
bud?
not hungry anymore.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, that happened. That's gonna be the end of it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh man. Okay, the thing is, dude, that wasn't even that scary. It just, I have a like terrible fear of animatronics growing up on FNAF and all that. And what's that one game called? Duck Hunt? Like that one virtual reality game? Dude, those made me absolutely terrified of like those humanoid animals, bro. And then the dog became like a human wearing the dog fur or the dog costume. Okay, whatever. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.